puzzle. No, literally. I've seen these posts on Instagram where people have their feed, it's really neat, unlike mine. By the way, you should definitely follow me on Instagram. Do you want a cool looking puzzle feed? The first step to get a cool looking puzzle feed on your Instagram is to like this video, or I will find you and I will make you like this video. And make sure you subscribe if you want more Instagram tips. Do you want to be shouted out in one of the next videos? Oh, I knew that you would. I knew that you would probably ask. The way to get shouted out in one of the next videos is to comment down below your Instagram handle, something that you liked about this video or hated about this video, and I might shout you out at the end of one of the next videos. And if you want to know if you are the shoutout winner on this episode, make sure you stick until the end. So let me show you what I'm even talking about, Instagram puzzle feed. So if we go ahead and type in puzzle grid on Instagram, here are some posts, right? And if we click this one and click profile of the user, you can see that this photo, for example, is combined with this photo and this photo, right? It's literally like a puzzle. And if you check some other examples out, maybe this person has a feed like that. It kind of seems like it. Yeah, look, this video with this video with this. She even has video puzzle feed, which is the next level. You go ahead, you have a feed, then you have a puzzle photo feed, then you have a puzzle carousel feed, and then you have a puzzle video feed, and then you've made it. You can go ahead and call your mom. Mom, I've made it, and now I know what? You still want the $100? Say what? You want the money back? I gotta call you later, mom. Okay, so we need two things. The first thing is, it's a cool little app, has a free version. I think you like it. How do you get a puzzle feed with it? I'll tell you how right now. So when you open up Canva, just click on custom dimensions right here, and you can do it on your PC, your MacBook, your laptop, whatever. If you want to do some more advanced stuff, pretty much, you know, you can do a great job just from your phone. And I want to make it as simple as possible, so that's why I'm showing you this example. So you just create custom dimensions, 3240 by 3240, just click create, and then voila, we have a square. You did it! Hooray! Good job! But you haven't done anything yet. Now what you gotta do is pick an image. Okay, so I picked an image and I'm gonna go ahead and make it as big as possible.
That's what she said! Michael!
It's basically the thumbnail of my last video, and you can barely see half of the text, but maybe it's more mysterious that way. What we do here is we just click done, we save it to our camera roll, making the magic happen, they said, and downloading design, and we have a photo. If we go ahead on our photos, click on it real quick, we can see this, right? This beautiful image of this bald guy, weird glasses, trying to make a funny face. But a great video though, you should definitely check it out. It's in the cards above. But that doesn't seem like a puzzle post. If you go ahead and upload it on Instagram, right, it will be one post. I can show you right here if you don't believe me, right? One post. It doesn't work that way. So you need a second app to make this magic happen, which is called Grid Post. I'm using a free version. It's free, right? And I'm gonna use the 3x3, the square version, because we just made a square photo. So what I do is click photo grids right here, recent photos, click the photo, and voila, it's made into 9 photos. So just watch an ad to be able to save it, but when I go ahead, click next, done, first image to post it to Instagram. It even tells me what to do. See? So if I do first, then I do the second, then I do the third, and so on, it will look exactly like a puzzle feed. I'll have a puzzle feed on my Instagram, which would be good for a lot of pages. For example, for my niche, the entrepreneur business Instagram YouTube tips, right? I wouldn't actually use that, and I'll tell you why. Because when I upload each of these, I gotta actually use a nice caption, hashtags, and if the reach is down because it's 1/9 of an image, this will affect the performance of my upcoming posts, because I have literally 9 posts that are not performing very well. I think it sits well, especially if you're an artist, a videographer, a photographer, then you want to showcase your work, your creativity, and you want a very good visual look of your feed. But in my case, value is king and visuals I think is secondary. I don't know if you agree. If you agree, like this video. If you don't agree, I would suggest you like this video. That way I'll know who doesn't agree. And if you don't think that will work, I suggest we check the shoutout winners. I'm pretty overwhelmed with the response we've had lately on the YouTube channel. We have 1.5k 10k views per 48 hours, and I'm recording this on the 2nd of April, so it's not an April Fool's. And if you check my channel out a few days ago, normally when it loads, I was getting 200-ish views a day, and I'm getting like 800, which is super nice, and I'm really enjoying helping people out so they can grow on YouTube as well. We have a lot of questions, but I'm answering every comment every single day. So every morning I would answer all the comments I have, especially on the recent videos. If it's a very old video, it might get buried, but if you're watching this video, comment, I'll surely reply. I reply to all the comments, so don't worry about it. If you have any issue on Instagram, I'll help you out. So Sean says, I love that you do shout outs for us. I'm very thankful being featured on your last shout out. Well, you shouted out again. Dude has an Instagram fitness page, you should definitely check him out, and a YouTube channel. Could you please help me? I'm so worried. This is about the account compromise message, but I guess he deserves a shout out because he didn't reply yet. Maybe when he sees this video he replies. So he just says, hey, could you please help me? I'm so worried. I just want my account back. Hey mate, let me know what happened. I posted that 9 hours ago, so hopefully we can help the dude out. So that was so much for today's episode. If you like this video, make sure you check one of these videos out, this one or this one. They're both great videos, to be honest, and it's not just because they're my videos. Maybe they're because they're my videos, but they're value packed, man. See you next one. Bye.